When we moved to Raleigh, this neighborhood was very appealing.
It's easy for us to get to restaurants, easy for us to get downtown. I mean, I think it's been such a great place for us. But while we've been here, we've also gone from a family of 4 to a family of 5.
While their 3-bedroom 1950s home worked fine at first, things have gotten tighter as their sons Wally, Whit, and Andrew have gotten older.
I think the boys just need more room. And I think we as a family need more room.
I love that we're all together in this cozy home.
We can find a new home in a neighborhood nearby.
I'm just gonna be honest, I'm not moving.
Come on in.
No, this is awesome.
I'm not sure if this is enough open concept for you guys. You tell me if I've missed it.
Of course, I love the space, but I like the style too.
Yeah, I mean, this is just so nice, David. Oh, great.
This would be great.
4-piece bathroom on the main level.
So
New
this
is
goes
nice.
with one of the bedrooms.
This is
bedroom.
going to be a kid's bedroom.
That is not ideal to me.
Right. Okay, let's head upstairs.
Okay.
Bedroom number 1 up here.
Oh, yeah. This is great size.
And there's a bedroom next door that's identical to this one.
Great.
Gosh, great. Okay. Oh.
Second
okay.
floor laundry.
This is great.
This is great.
Right where the bedrooms are.
Right.
Not part of the mudroom.
Ready to see the master bedroom?
Yes.
Why don't you guys just walk in and have a look?
Gosh. Wow.
This'll work.
I'm trying to gauge which one of you loves this more than the other.
You can't quite tell who loves it more.
It's so hard not to love it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It just opens right away. Woo! Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say. This is
Grandma's table.
my grandmother's dining room table.
You really did a fantastic job.
It's so much more open than I thought it would be.
This is
I could
incredible.
not ever picture this.
It's hard to believe this is the kitchen you originally had.
It is a game changer. I feel like I have walked into a different home. This is fantastic. There is seating for a lot of people in here, and nobody could sit in here before.
You've got brand new windows in this area.
Yeah, you really did a good job despite the limitations of not being able to go out.
There we go. Take a deep breath because there's lots more to see.
All right.
Thrilled with that room.
All right, here we go.
Oh my goodness.
This is amazing.
This is wonderful. Such a surprise.
Laundry
Yes.
bins, folding area.
Oh, it's great.
And you,
I might get my master bed back.
I had not even given thought to this.
well, I hadn't given it any thought until I managed to pick up a little bit of extra money.
Great.
And it was just enough to make this happen. Want to move on?
Sure.
For your master, we took some space and moved your door over. You'll see why.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
This feels like a different room.
So take a look at your new closet.
Okay, I can't wait. Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
That is a great use of that space.
I mean, this is exactly what I was hoping for.
I
Good,
love
good,
it.
good.
Yeah.
All right,
Great.
let's go.
Oh, this is great.
Oh, this looks great.
You remember we did have to steal space?
Right. But this is awesome.
This is fantastic.
All that the boys need.
Want to move on?
Sure. Oh, this is great.
It looks great. It looks natural.
This is cozy and comfortable.
It does not look
Yes.
jammed at all.
Yeah, bedroom number 1. Let's go and look at the other one.
I mean, I love it.
All for it.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
That's awesome.
This is a room to grow into, just as the other one is.
This is the perfect size.
Looks beautiful.
Look at the height of the
Yeah.
ceilings. That's
Yes.
what makes this into an incredible room.
You really did a fantastic job.
I'm glad to hear it.
Okay, so decision made,
We've made a decision.
And are you going to love it?
or are you going to list it?
We are going to list it.
When Joe and Jill found their home 13 years ago, it couldn't have been a better fit for them.
3 bedrooms, we can make 1 an office, we had a nice guest room, we had a nice pool.
Then the realtor said, look, Joe, you have your own wood shop. And I'm like, dude, get some imagination here because that's my man cave.
Since then, Joe and Jill have grown the family by 2 boys. And now the house that was once perfect for the 2 of them isn't so perfect anymore.
They need a space to have some privacy, so they're not in each other's faces all the time. Oh, no, that's enough, boys. Ow. Joe thinks there's enough room in here to have a playroom. Where is he gonna put it?
When it gets a little chaotic in here, you'll just hear the door open and close, and then you know where I went.
Yeah, he's got a nice escape. I don't have anywhere to go. I get to stay in here with the kids bickering in my tiny kitchen with nowhere to go. This kitchen needs so much work. Everything needs to be updated. And I still have half my storage out in the garage.
I mean, I understand that the kitchen is small, but it's something that can be fixed.
All the rooms are so separate. I would open up my kitchen, dining room, and living room area so it was more of an open concept.
I'm willing to do anything to upgrade the whole entire house to make her happy.
Jill and Joe's house is 1,400 square feet. The house I'm about to show them is 3,100 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It's got a potential man cave. It's got a beautiful open concept main floor. It's exactly what they need. What do you think?
A little far of a ride.
It is, but think about what you're gonna get out here.
Yeah, it looks like a lot of house.
It is. Let's go have a look.
Okay.
Come on in.
Really pretty. I like how open this is.
Beautiful high ceilings. You've got a formal dining room area.
That's
Nice,
perfect.
right?
Yep.
Very nice.
Then you come into the main area. That's just the right amount of open concept for Jill.
This is perfect.
Kids can sit while you're
Look at how
cooking.
much space there is. I can actually make stuff in here.
Yeah,
This is nice.
Main floor, master bedroom.
This is a nice size.
Spacious, beautiful
Beautiful.
ceilings. Look at this. Everything you guys need.
It's a jetted tub.
Wow.
Double
that
vanity.
You would love.
Jetted tub. I can live here.
You got me on this one, David.
Storage. Your walk-in closet.
I can fit everything in
This
here,
is
no
gorgeous.
problem. This is great.
You know what? I think this would be enough for our David.
I think this is done. This could be a bedroom for your mother.
Yeah.
This is
It would
big
be
enough.
big enough.
This is the bathroom the boys are gonna share.
Beautiful.
Bedroom number 1 for the boys. Both about the same size. Wow. Wow is
wow.
right. This is the bonus room.
Oh, this would be a great space for them.
So in this house, you have your space, and they will have their space.
I like it.
Yes.
I like it a lot.
This house is listed at $350,000.
Wow, it's in our budget.
This is the perfect house for you guys.
You've made it very hard for me today, David. You've made it very difficult.
I don't see how we could turn this house down.
We brought in all this landscaping. You picked up a garden to
The
boot.
landscaping looks beautiful.
fantastic.
I love their names.
Get out of here.
Oh, it looks so
No
nice
way.
in here. Listed, yeah, right.
This is gorgeous.
This is awesome.
There's also storage under the bed.
Oh, wow. He's gonna love this.
And Jacob's room.
Oh, look at the desk for him. This looks amazing.
But equally important is your mother.
Yes, my mom needs a place.
Yeah, so let's go and look at where she's going to sleep. For mother.
This looks beautiful.
This was my dining room.
This was the dining room.
There it is.
Looks
Perfect,
great, man.
yeah.
Well, let's see what you think of the next face.
Okay. Oh my God. I can't believe how gorgeous this is.
Holy
I can't believe this is our house.
incredible, Hilary.
I'm like blown away right now. I really am.
What we have done is given you a door with direct access out
Beautiful.
onto the deck.
It's so different.
Oh, she's now going to look at lighthouses.
More lighthouse pictures.
Look at
Oh,
them,
that
Joe.
looks fantastic. That looks great.
Those look gorgeous.
This was your garage.
Wow.
This looks unbelievable.
This looks amazing.
So now lots of storage over there, which
Yeah.
will include storage for the kids.
Yes.
Decision made?
Yes.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to love it.
What? 3,100 square feet. The bonus space for your kids.
I know. Well, Hilary gave us everything we really needed for the boys.
We've been in this house 25 years, and it's wonderful having a house of this size. We've got 3 adult children now, a total of 4 grands. We have a niece who's living with us now. It's important to me to have the space available for whenever they come.
The house is very old-style colonial, where you have nice-sized rooms, but they're all cut up from each other. Now when we have Thanksgiving and Christmas dinner, we're in 3 or 4 different rooms. What I really want is this open space that when we walk into the home, we say, wow. When we see the grandchildren, I want them to have free run of the house, and I want to be able to see them. And I really don't want their parents to put me on grandparent probation because they get hurt.
I really like this area. I really like the community. I think it fits our lifestyle. It's close to the tennis courts that I play at most often. Our kitchen is approaching 30 years old.
When you go to these open homes and you see these islands, I think that's a key component of why I want to move. You look at the cabinetry, you look at the island. I want update, current.
I think with the right design that we could give her what she's looking for.
5 miles away?
Tennis.
Let's go see the house.
Let's do it.
Come on.
Okay, David.
Nice.
I like that it flows so nice.
It does. It does flow.
Now, is this the open concept you're talking about?
David, you got to open right this time.
Beautiful
Yes,
family room,
yes.
eat-in kitchen. Look at the size of that island.
David, I have to give it to you. You found the openness I was looking for.
And you got the nice screened-in porch.
Look at this.
Isn't this beautiful?
Beautiful. The high ceilings.
Ken, as you can see, there's enough room back there to build your own personal tennis court.
I'm impressed.
Okay, let's have a look at the bedrooms.
All righty.
Bedroom number 1.
So this is where we put the grandchildren.
Bedroom
Another
number
bedroom.
2.
Okay.
2 great bedrooms.
You're stepping up your game.
Main floor master bedroom.
It's big enough. This is great.
Yes, yes, yes.
All right. Come on in.
Oh,
Wow.
look at this.
Fantastic.
This is beautiful.
You can have 8 comfortably in here for dinner.
This is a great space for parties, entertaining with family
Yeah.
and friends. This is great.
And it flows right into this area, which is your
Yes.
new family room and your living room.
Correct.
So you have full sense of open concept.
Just the touches that you did. Love it. I didn't understand how you was gonna make it work. But now, as I see everything is flowing, it makes a lot of sense.
So why don't we go on into the kitchen?
Oh, wow. Look at this kitchen.
Wow. This is really nice.
This is really nice, Hilary.
You now have a lovely sitting area right here. That's to compensate for not being able to give you the island that you wanted with everybody sitting up and congregating in the kitchen as a family.
You have stepped up your game.
And look at all the storage you have on this side. And again, in here, you've got connection with the family area.
This openness is what I was looking for.
Well, that's what you've got.
Decision made?
Decision is made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to love it.
Oh, wonderful.
How come? Just curious.
Well, David, you did an excellent job, but I think Hilary did such a super job with making this house look different and new.
I just could not have imagined you would have done so much with this house.